Let's start the Reader Ladybird 2A. Reading Corner. Today our new words na o no ya you no you. Page number 22. Today our new words na o no ya you no you. Pet wants th the fish. Pet wants the fish. Na o no says Jane. No says Jane. You come here you come here come here come here. Pet come here come here. Pet come here. Na o no again. Pet wants the fish. No says Jane. You come here pet come here. No. Second new word is some. Page number 24. New word some. Here ARER Peter. Here are Peter and Jane. Here are Peter and Jane. Peter as has some water. Peter has some water. Here you ARER. Here you are. Jane. Here you are Jane. He says. Again, here are Peter and Jane. Peter has some water. Here you are Jane. He says.